So this is a simple climbing stairs problem. We are asked to uh, basically climb the stairs from nth step to the 0th step, or you can assume it to be 0th step to nth step, and we are allowed to take a maximum of one or two steps. So it is asking in how many distinct possible ways that we can climb up the top. So basically, suppose that we are at this 0th step, so we are allowed to take either one step or two step. Again, if from here, basically if we reach here, then we can again take one step or two steps from here. Then if we reach here, so again there are two ways to reach the nth step, basically one step or two step. If we reach nth step, then this is our base case. If we reach nth step, there is no further way to go beyond. So basically, we would return one here, because if we reach nth step, then he has only one way. He or she has only one way to stay at this place. That's why we would return one. So here's the code, simple recursive code. It would not be submitted because the time limit exceeded error would appear, but the test cases are accepted here. It runs fine for them. So the code is basically, I have created one recursive method, which is help, in which I have passed the initial step and the final step. So initially I would pass 0, because we are at 0th step, and I would just keep going to the upper step. Basically, first I would go just one step ahead, and then I would go two steps ahead. So T represents 2. So for second step, I would go to jump on to j plus 2. For first step, I would jump on to j plus 1. But again, we need to check that this j plus 1 does not go out of bound. So that's why we have initialized this condition to that j is less than n, and here j is less than n minus 1. At the end, we are supposed to return all the number of possible ways. That's why we are adding one steps and two steps count. The base case is, again I've already explained, that when we reach the nth step, there's only one way to reach nth step, basically. So that's why we return one. Okay, so this is a simple code.